Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp automation in the Quick Assist. I will guide you through the entire process step by step so you can automate customers' conversation and save time. Let's get started. To create an automation, we have to go in Automation, select Manage Automation, and then click on Create Workflow. Here, you will see this interface. First, you will see trigger keyword. Here, you have to set a trigger keyword such as hi. That means if the customer sends hi, the automation will start. And if you want that the customer could reply any message and the automation should start at first, then you can click on default workflow. After setting the trigger keyword, here comes the text button. Using the text button, we can write a welcome message such as. Also, here you can add buttons. 3 buttons you can add and we can connect the node. If you want to add more than 3 buttons, you can use list button. In list button, you can add maximum buttons. Then comes the media button. Using media button, you can upload images, videos, audios, and documents. Also, you can add a caption and here you will get maximum 3 buttons. Now, if you want to add multiple images, videos, audios, and documents, you can use Media Carousel button, where you can upload multiple images. Next, there is an Ask Question button. Using Ask Question button, you can ask several questions to the customers, such as what is your name, what is your age, and you can select the attribute format, such as text, email, date, number. There is an Ask Location button. Using Ask Location button, you can demand for location from the customer, current location also. Next button is an Ask Address button. Using Ask Address button, you can ask for address from the customer as well. Next is the Media button. Using the Media button, you can demand for images, videos, audios, and documents from the customer. The next is Assign Agent button. Using Assign Agent button, here we can select the agent or the teammates and give access to them. This is the last step of the workflow where the chat is transferred to a live agent for the further assistance. So, this is how we can create the workflow and click on Save. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.